So where are we focused today? Well, the one place where we're really putting most of our effort right now is commercial groundskeeping and commercial agriculture. And if you just look at commercial groundskeeping, there's really two customers there. There's the manufacturer of the large-scale commercial mower who wants to make that robot autonomous to deliver the highest value to their customer. And their customer is the big commercial groundskeeper who has these giant contracts to maintain golf courses, corporate development, groundskeeping, big residential construction, things like that, where they've got enormous areas of groundskeeping to take care of, and they're driven by cost efficiency and driving down labor costs. So between the two of them, they've already got sort of an ROI calculation going in their head as far as what autonomy can bring to them. They're just looking for the right solution. The manufacturer is looking for speed to market. The groundskeeping company is looking for capital efficiency. So if that solution, either one of those customers is going to get immediate benefit out of having autonomous navigation built into whatever solution they're deploying in the field. So if you're a maker of commercial mowers, come talk to us. We've got a great solution for you. You can click on the link below. And also, if you're a commercial groundskeeper and you're just looking for what's going to happen to your business in the future and how to make that as efficient and cost-effective as possible, click on the link below and give us a call. We'll be happy to chat with you about our Luna platform.